Owning a motorhome can feel overwhelming for seniors. From constant maintenance to physical effort, like setting up beds, climbing steps, or managing tight spaces, RV life hasn't always been senior-friendly. But that has changed. In today's video, we retouring 5 luxury camper vans that are designed to remove the stress and keep only the comfort. These motorhomes focus on easy access, smart layouts, and push-button convenience, making them ideal for senior travelers who want freedom without the hard work. Let's take a look. The first camper van on our list is the Winnebago Travato 59G, a solid and compact option that balances luxury with simplicity. Starting at around $194,000 and built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, it offers a driving experience that feels more like a regular vehicle than a bulky motorhome. That alone makes it less intimidating for seniors. With an overall length of about 21 feet, it's easy to maneuver, park, and take into narrow or remote locations without stress. On the exterior, the Travato features a powered awning that deploys at the push of a button, along with exterior lighting that helps during nighttime entry. The assisted entry steps make climbing inside much easier, and despite its roughly 9-foot height, the low entry point improves accessibility. Multiple exterior cameras give you excellent visibility, adding peace of mind while driving or parking. Inside, flexibility is the theme. Swiveling cab seats, a removable tabletop, and generous storage throughout allow you to customize the space to your comfort. The kitchen includes a 2-burner cooktop, microwave, mid-size fridge, freezer, and an 18-gallon fresh water tank. Entertainment is handled by a swiveling HD TV, adjustable to your seating position. The real highlight, especially for seniors, is the Murphy bed and bathroom setup. The bed folds down to a comfortable height, eliminating the need to climb. The wet bath includes a toilet, shower, and privacy curtain, making it both functional and easy to use. It's a smart, low-effort design that truly fits senior needs. Next up is the 2025 Thor Motor Coach Sequence 2OL, another 21-foot camper van that delivers convenience at a lower starting price of around $151,000. On the Ram ProMaster with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, it's capable enough for light off-road adventures while remaining smooth and stable on highways. Accessibility is a strong point here. An electric step at the sliding door makes entry effortless, and the exterior awning creates a comfortable outdoor space. There's even an extendable tray that lets you cook or enjoy coffee outside, using the induction cooktop. Inside, the layout feels clean and organized. Swiveling cab seats and a flip-up table create a flexible dining or work area. The kitchen includes a 2-burner cooktop, sink with movable faucet, microwave, fridge, and plenty of storage. With a 27-gallon fresh water tank, it's well suited for longer trips. The sleeping area is where this camper truly shines. During the day, it functions as 2 large sofas with a removable table. At night, those sofas convert into a wall-to-wall king-size bed that sits at hip height, making it easy to get in and out. The wet bathroom at the rear includes a pocket door, toilet, flip-out sink, shower, and closet, all arranged to allow smooth movement without obstacles. For seniors, that thoughtful layout makes a big difference. If you want something with more space and fewer compromises, the Coachman Beyond 22RB delivers exactly that. Measuring just over 22 feet long and starting at around $299,000. This camper is built on a Ford Transit AWD chassis with a powerful 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. It prioritizes comfort, space, and ease of movement, making it an excellent choice for senior travelers. The exterior includes a motion-sensing awning, low electric steps, rear cameras, and parking sensors. Power comes from a 640 AMP-hour lithium battery system paired with solar and alternator charging, ensuring long off-grid capability without constant monitoring. Inside, the open layout feels surprisingly spacious. The kitchen features an induction cooktop, sink with extendable faucet, microwave, refrigerator, expandable countertops, and ample storage. A 28-gallon fresh water tank supports daily use comfortably. The twin sofa setup converts into a king-size bed, and the removable lagoon table adds flexibility. Where the 22RB really stands out is the bathroom. Compared to smaller vans, it offers noticeably more space, making daily routines easier and safer. If comfort, accessibility, and room to move are top priorities, this camper checks all the right boxes. For seniors who want maximum maneuverability, the Airstream Interstate 19 is hard to beat. At just 19 feet long and starting around $228,000, it's incredibly easy to drive and park. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it includes advanced driving aids like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, reducing fatigue on long drives. Most functions are electrically powered, minimizing physical effort. The exterior design is clean and aerodynamic with a powered awning, automatic sliding door, and electric step for easy access. Inside, the bathroom is compact but intelligently designed, featuring a toilet, shower, sink, swiveling mirror, and privacy covers. The kitchen includes a 2-burner cooktop, deep sink, storage cabinets, pantry, and mid-size refrigerator. Fresh water capacity reaches about 18 gallons. At the rear, a 3-sofa seating area with a swiveling table creates a cozy lounge. When it's time to sleep, the table is removed, and a push-button system brings the sofas together into a comfortable bed. Even better, the rear doors and powered glass window allow you to enjoy outdoor views while resting, adding a relaxing touch. Last on our list is the Winnebago Revel 44E, a compact adventure-ready camper with unmatched storage. The exterior includes an electric awning, powered step, sliding door, and a rear ladder. While the latter isn't ideal for seniors, it's optional and doesn't affect daily comfort. Inside, the standout feature is the massive rear gear garage, the largest on this list, perfect for storing equipment without cluttering living space. The interior includes swivel cab seats, a sofa, a central table, and a control panel that manages lighting, climate, awning, and the unique powerlift bed. That bed lowers from the ceiling to a comfortable height, making it easy to access without strain. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop, sink, storage cabinets, and a fresh water tank. The compact wet bath can even double as storage when not in use. In short, this camper is ideal for shorter trips where storage, simplicity, and comfort matter most. So now the question is, if you were choosing one of these camper vans for your parents, which would it be, and why? And if compact luxury campers are your thing, there's another tiny camper you'll definitely want to see next. Click it, and I'll see you soon with another luxury motorhome tour.